Hi everyone! Finally finished my mission. Ayan, natapos ko na din yung boxes na ipapadala ko sa Pilipinas. So I'm sending 3 boxes to my family there in Philippines. Yan, tips for when you send box in the Philippines, balikbayan box. Dapat i-cover nyo ng duct tape each sides. Then, I also cover them with clear tape, like white tape. Para mas safety siya. So, kasi yung mga boxes, tinatapon lang ng mga nagde-deliver. Of course, which understandable naman kasi yung iba mabibigat talaga. So, minsan, 1 or 2 workers lang. So they just throw the boxes. So, it's your responsibility to cover them well para hindi siya mabasa. Kasi transport siya from port to port. Ibang port from here to another port. So, mas better na you have to cover them to be safe and secure. Yep. So that's it. I'm sending 3 boxes to my family in the Philippines. Make sure you cover them to be safe and secure. Alright, that's it. Then God bless all. God bless everyone that are providers ng family nila that work hard to support their family in the Philippines and of course send boxes and share their blessings to them. So, yep. That's it. God bless. I hope it will arrive safely.